How to make a fake email. So if you want to make a fake email, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to make sure that you have an internet connection, and you can use any browser that you're comfortable with. And now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for 10-minute email. So once you search for it, now here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you a 10-minute email so that you can use the email address for 10 minutes. And you will also have the temporary email address website, so you just need to simply go with it, and you will have some temporary emails or some fake emails. So if you go with the first one or this second one, then here as you can see that the timer has been started, and you will have your email address right here. So wait for it to load. Once you have your email address, you can just simply copy the email address, and once you've copied, you can go to the website where you would like to paste or where you would like to use that email address, and you'll be able to use that for 10 minutes. Or if you want temporary email, then here you will have your temporary email addresses. So you can just simply click on it and you will have some temporary email address. So that's how you can get a fake email. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.